morning guys, today is August 22, 2022. So, kagising ko lang po. Good morning sa inyo lahat, sa lahat ng nanonood nito. So, ayan, kasama ko ngayon ang aking katabi, lagi katabi. So, samahan nyo ako ngayon guys. Pupuntahan natin yung AdSense pen ko kasi noong August 20, nag-email na sa akin si YouTube na ipadala na daw yung AdSense pen ko. So, tara, good morning and babangon na tayo. Let's go!
Salamat!
Aww. So, ito yung guys kung bakit ako naglakad ng napakalayo. So, tiyaga na lang kasi first day of school na naman pala ng mga estudyante. So kaya traffic na naman. Ayan, nasa Novaliches ako ngayon. Unahin ko muna magbayad ng Meralco bill. So yun lang, traffic is life. Dapat pala sumakay na lang ako sa ulap tulad ng ganito, wala pang traffic.
Oh my God! Wow! Gago!
So, kakabayad ko lang ng Meralco. Sa location, dito sa Lumbayliges. Yes, dito na raw yung postal office. So, nakita ko, malapit sa 7-Eleven sa Google Map. So, tingnan natin. Andun daw yun. Andun. So, pupunta natin. So, tara guys, let's go! So, nakita nga natin. Ayun na, post office. Post office. So, ayun. Ay, kukuha ng Google AdSense. Google AdSense kung kukunin.
Ano nga sa...
Sa ano po? Piano po.
Piano? Piano, Google Ads.
Exacto ano siya sir?
Oo. Kasi kung piano, dinami sa ako. Kung piano, din sa ako.
Maraming kasing kapero doon para malaman natin kung kanino natin lamesa natin.
Paano natin? Kung detail sa
Number.
Number. Itong number ko yan, ano to?
Wala na yan.
Wala na. Tapos address.
Pangalan na lang. Pangalan apelido.
Ito na lang.
Cut! Mag-check ko yung kay sir. Tapos itong address, contact number.
Kaya pwede mahiram yung ano? Yung original ng...
Tapos address, buong address po. Yung mali nga yung napuntahan natin na post office. So, nasa Camarin daw po yung address ko. So, dito sa Baliches. So, mali daw po. So, pupuntahan natin yung let's go. Next destination natin, pupunta tayo sa Camarin Postal Office. So, wala nga sa Baliches. Doon sa Camarin. So, pupuntahan natin ito guys. Nandito ako ngayon sa SM Fairview. Pabiyayin ko muna yung Camarin. Malapit lang daw yun sa ano sa mini City Hall. So tara guys, biyahin muna ako. Kaya saan po dito yung postal? Salamat.
lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Google Ads eh.
Ano yung address?
Sa Sergio Tomas. Yan.
At ito nga,
Tips.
wala pa akong ano dun? Wala pa.
Wala pa daw. Pero nag-email ka sa akin nung 20.
Kailan nag-email siya?
Nung
Wala
20.
ka na ng contact number. Wala ka na lang contact.
Ah, sige po. Thank you.
Ano tingnan na siguro yun? Anong jack ka?
Oh.
Anong jack? Pangalan buo mo tsaka yung address mo. Anong jack ka rin?
Sige po. Ay, sulat ko na rin po.
Sulat mo. Dr. Tomas 6.
Oo. Sergio Tomas. Sulat ko na rin. Okay lang. Sige po, okay lang.
Kontakin na lang ito pag meron mo.
Sige po, salamat.
So bukya tayo mga kuya. Bigo ang ating mission. Uwi muna ako. So papasok na pang gabi.
Yun. Medyo bokya tayo for today's video. Dahil wala pa nga yung AdSense natin sa postal office. So yun lang guys. Pero di naman malungkot. Asahan na lang natin darating yun kasi binigay ko lang din naman yung address ko. At alam na rin yung kartero na yung address ko dito. So binigay ko rin yung number in case na dumating na. So ayun lang, kahit bokya tayo, happy lang. Antay-antay lang, ganun talaga eh. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng team na sumama sa akin sa video ito. At alam kong mapapanood nila to. So andyan lang muna ang Team Marites. Ayan, Team Marites, thank you po. Ang Team Medics, ayan, Medics team, thank you po. Ang Team Gold na ang Team Gold Digger, so maraming salamat guys. At Team Butakal, ayun, alam ko mapapanood din nila to. So thank you po. At sa lahat, TFPM1, Team Arshel, so maraming salamat po sa opportunity na makapasok sa inyong team. So ayun lang, kahit bukya tayo, okay lang po. Antay-antayin lang tayo sa AdSense pin natin. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa aking video nito. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please like, subscribe, at pakiclick na rin ng notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga video na gagawin natin. So this is your Kuya Mo Gerson, ang kuya mo na walang pera pero may itsura. So thank you guys sa pagsama. Mabalos!